Hi there. So if you are making travel plans, I have a really easy to use Google Sheet and Excel spreadsheet that can help you with your trip budget. So this is my spreadsheet and it's available at savvyandthriving.com. I'm going to show you how it works. So first of all, what you want to do on the very left is just put in your budget. So let's just say for fun, your trip budget is $5,000. Once you put how much you've spent on here, it will calculate your total spent. So it's everything that adds up in this column. And then it'll tell you how much you have left to spend. Over here, there is an expenses by category so that you can see how much you've spent per category. And you can click on it and it'll show you the numbers. You spent $1,265 on transportation and $623 on your hotel or lodging. And so it's just easy to see how much you've spent by category. Here, this will tell you how much your budget is, how much you've spent, and what is remaining. So that's a nice little chart there to help you. Okay, so here is how it works. I'm just going to go and highlight the row and hit the delete key. And then so we're starting from scratch. So say we're going to go on January 1st. And then we're choosing a category. So this is going to be transportation and the place. So this is going to be the airline company. And then description. So this is going to be my flight to Hawaii. And say my budget is $1,800, but I found a great deal and it was $1,259. So if you want to change any of the categories, you're welcome to. If you're in Google Sheets, you just hit the edit button and then you can scroll down and add another item. You can change the colors by clicking the drop down box, choose customize, choose your color and hit OK. And then we can say this is going to be the extra. We're going to see, let's see, goes down to column 40. So we want to do from F5 this row to colon F40 and then hit done. And then it will show up here. So all of the little drop down boxes will work now. So that's if you wanted to change it. If you needed to change this in Excel, I have another video on how to do that, and just contact me and I'll send you that video. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com and you guys have a great day.